I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
My good people, now welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, your number one channel for reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country, maybe Nigeria. So, and just like we dey normally dey do, we don't come with breaking news, we don't come with updates wey I would like share give the general public. And this information I want share so now about the things and things wey dey happen for inside Edo State. Now we all know say men dey criticize Senator Monday Okpebholo wey be the governor of Edo State. We all know say many dey yarn negative about am. We all know say men dey yarn say no be supposed to be the Edo State governor, say he no even fit defend his victory at the polls. 100 days in office call, 100 days of cluelessness ni. Men dey yarn say he no know wetin he suppose do for Edo State. Instead of him to dey do better thing, he dey burn time by torchlighting the past administration led by the former governor Godwin Obaseki. Many dey call am governor wey dey like to waka waka in any stay for one place. But however, my good people, Senator Monday Okpebholo of the All Progressive Congress wey be the Edo State governor, e be as if the man get thick skin. He no dey even dey lis ten to all the critics. He no dey even dey pay attention. In his bid now to make Edo State people jolly, in his bid to make Edo State the true pride of country people, he now don go commission over 56 new Toyota Hiace buses out of the 100 wey he expect before the end of February this month for inside this year 2025. And this, my good people, now to prove say he mind true dey for the general public of Edo State. And he don even talk am before. Say he wan make Edo State fine, he wan transform the state so that other countrymen dem from other states go dey jealous Edo State. And no be like say he stop for the 56 new Toyota Hiace buses o. The governor Senator Monday Okpebholo he can still proceed further, go commission new Toyota Hilux vans and Prado jeeps, which this in administration go distribute to security agencies for inside Edo State to fight crime. And during the event, as the Edo State governor dey commission these vehicles dem, he no stand alone. Men plaster with am. And when I mean men, I'm talking about the Edo State Deputy Governor wey be Dennis Idahosa, plus the Minister of Works wey be Dave Umahi, plus the former governor of Edo State, and that na the one and only Adams Oshomole, plus the secretary to the state government wey be Musa Ikehilo, plus the chief of staff wey be Gani Udu, plus other top government functionaries dem, plus party chieftains, men from the All Progressive Congress, plus heads of security agencies for inside Edo State, all of them plaster as the Edo State governor dey commission the vehicles dem. The former governor and senator wey dey represent Edo North Senatorial District, that na Adams Oshomole, na him unveil the new 56 buses plus the 38 new Toyota Hilux vans and over 16 Prado jeeps as security vehicles. Na him also commission the new Toyota Hiace buses wey they wan use as fleet for the Edo Line Transport Services. Based on say this development now e good make dem clap for the Edo State governor. Based on say this development now it makes sense well. Adams Oshomole true come dey commend the governor wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo for his achievements in 100 days in office. And he now come dey yarn say wetin him as a governor no fit do that time for inside Edo State, wetin he no fit do for the Edo State people, Senator Monday Okpebholo don last do am. This my good people na wetin Adams Oshomole wey be the former governor of Edo State dey use him mouth to dey confess. And he come still dey yarn say like this now Edo State people dey experience efforts by the governor to fulfill campaign promises. He no be those cho type. Everything wey he talk during his campaign na wetin he dey do so. And based on the new vehicles wey dem commission so, Sir Adams Oshomole come still dey yarn say we all know say criminals are mobile. So therefore security agencies wey be say na their duty, na their responsibility to fight crime, na their responsibility to arrest those criminals. Dem too dem gatz be mobile so that they go fit match the criminals. No be say criminals go dey use motor wey dey advance dey do their operation, you go come dey use kabo dey pursue them. Normally those kind levels e no go work at all. That na why they dey give good vehicles to police so that they go fit pursue those criminals, so that they go fit gbab anybody wey do jaguda business for inside Edo State. And na Senator Monday Okpebholo na don make am possible. And him now wey be Adams Oshomole, he happy well say Senator Monday Okpebholo no even dey talk plenty, but he dey do plenty. He na man of action. less talk, more action. Na dat kain person na Senator Monday Okpebholo be. Im dey do plenty now for Edo State pipu, and his action go continue to dey speak louder than his voice. And dis security vehicles wey dey just commission so, dey don equip am with communication gadgets. Now their security agencies don get all it takes to fight the criminals. All thanks to Senator Monday Okpebholo wey be the governor of Edo State. Im don do things wey be say even the past administration wey borrow so much money dey no fit do. With all the money wey dem borrow, dey no fit afford to buy a new vehicle for security agencies. But now im dey pray say Edo pipu go gradually recover the lost time of period of 8 years. And as evidence to show say Senator Monday Okpebholo na the right person for the job, in 100 days im don show greatness for Edo pipu. Im don do things and things wey be say men no fit believe am with their eye. Then at the commissioning of the buses for Edo Line Transport Services, Comrade Oshiomhole come dey commend the courage plus determination and bravery of Governor Monday Okpebholo to revive the state-owned transport system. He say like this now he is completely short of words because of the action of the governor to revive Edo Line. And that na something wey be say him wey be Adams Oshiomhole im try to do am during his time as governor, but im no fit do am. The only thing wey im fit do na to revive the Edo City Transport System wey be ECTS, and that na basically intra-city, no dey go outside Edo State. But this ECTS now is popularly called Comrade Bus. But as Edo Line now don plaster again, as Edo Line don come online again, this action go give the travelling public more choices and options in embarking on interstate travel. Now some transport systems dey no go dey make shakara again. Those transport systems wey be say their fare e dear well well. Now they go by themselves reduce am because Edo Line wey dey famous that year don come back again, and they don get another option. In case anybody make shakara sharparly, they go go Edo Line. And this now go come bring another form of competition. If you want customer, if you want passengers, you better bring down your fare because Edo Line is back. Comrade Oshiomhole come dey apologize, dey give Edo State people for supporting the former governor of Edo State to be Godwin Obaseki, wey rule for 8 years. Then he come dey give accolade to the current governor, Senator Monday Okpebholo. He say if our president last see all these things now wey he don do for Edo State people, he know very well say our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu go support am. Meanwhile, the Edo State Police Commissioner wey be Betty Otimehin, she na still give accolade to the Edo State governor for the vehicles wey dem distribute to security agencies to take fight crime and criminality for inside Edo State. So this my good people, na the information I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the thing be you for body, or if you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say now we be reality latest gist. Now they like give una reality news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our great nation, Nigeria.